Let me give you the facts in case somehow it was unclear. I have traffic cameras that spotted you in Georgetown, near the scene on the night Benny was killed. I have a murder weapon with your prints and your prints only on it. And I have multiple witness statements that say that they saw you leaving Benny's restaurant at 1:46 a.m. with blood on your hands and your shirt. And you think I don't care? Look, this is as easy as it comes for me, okay? I can close this folder, walk out that door, and before I have myself a latte, they'll have you in the system. A slam dunk for the DA. But I'm still here talking to you because I'm the only one who cares. I'm your only friend. And I'm the only one that can keep you out of prison for the rest of your life. So give me names. And I'll help you with this.